LA's Circle program is spreading to more neighborhoods on the west side.
Yeah, the program sends mental health workers to some 911 calls instead of police. KTLA5's Kimberly Chang live now in Palms with details on the expansion. Kimberly?
Hi, Palms is one of the neighborhoods where Circle teams will now be deployed. It's part of an expansion to the program. Earlier, we spoke with residents who say they are thrilled that there's going to be another resource available.
We have had homeless people sleeping in right by our building. You know, we live right down the street here, and it's so sad that what people are going through and that they don't have help and that the only option that we have is to call the police. The thing that's great about what I'm hearing is that there's going to be someone who's actually helping these people rather than just dealing with the situation.
We need to be compassionate as human beings. If we're going to make our world work, we need to do things that are sensible.
Today, LA Mayor Karen Bass and local leaders were in their neighborhood to announce that the Circle program will now include west side communities of Oakwood, Mar Vista, Palms, Playa Vista, Playa del Rey, Westchester, Manchester Square, and Dockweiler Beach. Circle, which stands for Crisis and Incident Response through Community-Led Engagement, addresses the homeless and mental health crisis by sending unarmed, trained workers to nonviolent 911 mental health calls instead of police. Circle teams, some of whom have lived experience, would respond to calls that include unhoused individuals experiencing crisis, loitering, well-being checks, noise disturbances, substance abuse issues, and indecent exposure. City leaders said today that the program frees up LAPD resources so that officers can focus on fighting crime. Circle, which was announced as a pilot program back in 2021, is not yet available citywide, but the program has been available in several neighborhoods, including Harbor Gateway, Harbor City, Wilmington, San Pedro, Sherman Oaks, including the Ventura Boulevard Business Corridor, Hollywood, Downtown LA, South LA, Venice, and the San Fernando Valley.
This program works. Last year, Circle handled more than 14,000 incidents, and the Circle teams have helped connect hundreds of people with resources, housing, and assistance.
The teams are trained to stabilize and de-escalate incidents and use their lived experience and training to build rapport to get individuals connected to services and resources. This approach offers a sustained solution to safety by addressing the root causes of incidents, and it frees up our officers' time from having to serve as social workers on our streets.
There's been a heavy focus on the homelessness crisis on the west side recently. Last week, a major encampment cleanup operation was held at Dockweiler State Beach in Playa del Rey. Now, while many residents complain that they've noticed an increase in encampments in their neighborhoods, overall, data shows that the number of unsheltered homelessness has gone down in LA City and County. In June, the 2024 Greater LA homeless count showed that the city of LA saw its unsheltered homelessness estimate decline by roughly 10% to about 29,000. An estimate for unsheltered homelessness in LA County decreased by roughly 5% to just more than 52,000 compared with the previous year. And back here live, according to city leaders, the public can reach Circle teams by calling 1-877-ASK-LAPD and select the non-emergency dispatch option to get help. Reporting live in Palms, Kimberly Chang, KTLA 5 News.
All right, thank you, Kimberly.